Welcome to the mountains of Nevada. Holy cow, it's cold here. Check this out. Frickin' snow. Crazy. And it's supposed to be windy as hell today. I thought yesterday was windy, but now they're calling for 65-mile-an-hour gusts and stuff. So I'm going to take the Starlink off the roof. I did buy some of these little silicone caps and stuff, so I can take it down off the roof and leave the wiring up there. But it's just too windy. I don't want to lose my Starlink again and go through all that crap. So yeah, I'm getting the ladder out, taking Uma for a walk, and we're out of here. We're obviously up in elevation, so I got to get out of here and get down somewhere lower because of these crazy winds. Let's get the hell out of here. All right, that's nice and easy to pull that down. Okay, touch this wire. All right, beautiful. All right, so I put this rubber gasket thingy to cover the end of the barrel connector for the Starlink. I think it's going to rain later as well, so hopefully that holds and doesn't ruin anything. Yeah, Starlink is down. That's so easy. I love that. Oh, good morning, guys. What a frickin' windy drive that was yesterday. Holy cow. I'm so glad I took the Starlink off the roof. I probably would have lost it in those winds. That was crazy. Holy cow. And then, yeah, I get here and there's a winter storm watch and it snowed like crazy. I don't know why I didn't do any video of it. I took some pictures of it, but didn't do any video. I guess I was just too tired after that driving and having to concentrate so hard in the wind. So now I might have snow to deal with going over the mountains. Holy cow. Get into California. California snow, Nevada snow. What the heck is going on in the world? And it's April Fool's, so I feel like a fool. Just taking Miss Uma out for her walk, of course. So yeah, we got to get on the road. We should get to Oregon today, hopefully. As long as the drive goes good and we don't get into too much snow. I don't think there's going to be. I think it'll be fine, or the roads will be clear by the time we get up there. I hope. Yeah, we're on our way. We're leaving Nevada very shortly. I think we're right on the border. Nevada, California, and Oregon. I forgot to mention, not too many places to stay in Reno. A lot of places, even the Cracker Barrel, you can't stay here. Strange enough, so I stayed at this casino where you can park overnight. One of the only places. Funny enough, it's called Baldini's. That's me. I'm Baldini. Maybe I should change my YouTube name to Baldini's. Jokes. Yeah, anyhow, continue on. Finish taking Uma for her walk, and we're out of here. Okay.
We got a bunch of spin outs. The directs are kind of clear.
Okay.
Might be a few. It could be longer. It just depends.
Right.
What's up to you? If you want to stay, or try to go a different way.
Okay. Is there parking in here? Or?
If you want to stay, just tuck in over there by that red truck. Just stay out of the way, kind of.
All right.
So, all right.
All right. Thank you. All right, there was a cop in the middle of the road there, just when I pulled onto Highway 44. Road's closed further up. A bunch of people spun out and wiped out, and they're trying to clear all the accidents. But he said that the roads are clear now. They just have the road still closed for towing purposes, I guess. So I'm gonna wait here for, I don't know, a while. See what happens. Maybe have something to eat. Maybe take Uma for a WALK. I don't know. It's yeah. All right, roads are back open. We're out of here. Hopefully it's safe to drive. Let's go. What you doing? I think Uma's happy to be back in the grass, but holy cow, what a ride that was. Yeah, it's too much. All that snow. Guess I should have paid attention to the snow warnings. I thought with it being California and Nevada that it was just, you know, they were going over the top on the snow warnings, but nope. Yeah, we made it through. We were probably stopped for, oh, there's a cat over there. We were probably stopped for almost a couple hours there waiting for the road to reopen. But it opened back up again. So yeah, I only made it to the rest stop just on the border of California and Oregon. Didn't want to drive any further, and then drove the next 2 hours to come here. I'm at a escapee park in Oregon, the one that I stayed at last year as well. Just gonna stay here overnight. Then we got one more stop in Washington, and then we'll be back in Canada on the next day. So yeah, it'll be good to get the trip over. I hear the gas is a lot cheaper in Canada now that the carbon tax is gone. But yeah, all the other issues going on. Don't want to talk about it. But yeah, this is where we are. We made it to Oregon. Now one more state to go. Oregon, Washington, and then Vancouver, or BC. I think I'm going to go to the island for a couple weeks anyway. Let it warm up a little bit before I head into Revelstoke. So yeah, that's where we're at. Just thought I'd check in and let you guys know that I made it through the mountains. All right, we'll see you in a bit. Hello. Good, how are you?
Where you at?
Revelstoke.
Just you and the dog?
Just me and the dog.
What brings you around here?
Well, I'm coming back to Canada.
Snowbird?
Yes.
Whereabouts?
I went to Baja, Mexico and Yuma, Arizona area.
It's like a common trip for you.
Yeah, been doing it for like 8 years now, I think.
How do you feel about the new changes that you gotta declare how long you're going for now?
It's crazy. I hope things change before I come back again.
Do they charge you like a fee? Do they require you to get a permit? How's it work now?
Well, when I left last year in October, nothing had changed.
It changed recently, yeah?
Yeah, I saw that. So apparently next year we have to come and get fingerprinted at the border and all this and get
So
a...
you're investing like into their economy.
That's what drives me crazy is like...
Understand it.
Right,
They're penalizing you, you know? It's very punitive.
it is.
Alright, well, welcome back.
Thank you. Good to be back. Okay, Miss Uma, you gonna stay here? You gonna stay here? I'll be back in a couple of hours after the ferry's over, okay? Love you. Bye.
They'll guide you to the emergency assembly areas and to life jackets located on decks 5 and 6, and the marine evacuation systems located on deck 5. A crew member may ask you to put on a life jacket. Here's how to do it. 1. Hold the life jacket over your head. 2. Now tie the straps under your chin. 3. Cross the straps behind your back and tie them securely in front. make sure the knots are tight and secure. If you need a hand at any time during the sailing, please let a crew member know so we can help. Don't forget you're on a ship that can sometimes move unexpectedly, so please take care and use handrails. And watch for high door sills.
Be careful on outer decks that may be wet, and watch out for strong winds that could knock you off